Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another vlog. Good morning, Bruno. Let's go out. Slept at like 1, woke up at 5, only 4 hours of sleep. But I was determined that no matter what, I will get back to my waking up early schedule. Today's gonna be a lot of coffee. This time I have coffee, but no milk. Time for black coffee. .58. My first work meeting starts at 7:30 today, so I have about hour and a half. I'm gonna do editing for like first 45 minutes, then we will unbox this guy. If you see my last vlog, I unboxed MacBook and all of that, but I never unboxed this thing because I never got a chance. So I'll unbox this, and I have to return the mic to Jason at 8:15. Extra battery. I've heard that each battery lasts for 30 minutes. I'm gonna go with 25 minutes. So 25 and 25, 50 minutes. I can fly drone for almost an hour. Oh, nice. A charging station. Document. Wow, look at that. It feels so fancy. It smells like, you know how the new item smells like new plastic? That's how it smells like. This is where the drone charges. There's a connector right here, so you can the drone. So typically there's nothing else in it. Typically I think you would just buy this thing, which is the drone and a battery and charger, everything you need, and a remote controller. But since I bought it from Costco, they had a deal of a fly combo, so you also got this charging station, an extra battery, and also it was $389. This itself just cost $399. I would guess this is another at least $40 or so. A battery another $20 or so, so $100 discount roughly. That feeling when you are like peeling the new plastic from the product, it's so good. Ooh, look at this. This is my phone. That's the camera right here with the gimbal. This is where the memory card would be. This is where the charger would be. That's the battery. Okay, there's the remote right here. This remote is right here, and then the joystick. This is the joystick, but the thing is like, it's like attached here. Cool. Nice. I'm assuming this is the charger. Yep. This is for iPhone. USB-C wings, which is very nice because my last drone I broke the wings. Oh, nice. Extra screwdriver to fix the wings, I think. Extra joystick. I like it because they know that I might break stuff. That's the charger and the remote, I think. That is everything you get. Remote control, cables, extra battery, drone, charging station, extra battery. I'm going to charge the drone and remote control, have it ready when I go to meet Jason. If at all I get time, like 15-20 minutes, I might fly it on downtown, I don't know. This is how the drone is charging right now. 7, I finished couple of meetings, I did editing, unboxing is done. This is charged. Also, this thing is charged because it's not blinking. Jason just texted that he's in the office, so I can go. यूजुअली 5-10 मिनट लगता है मेरे को जेसन के ऑफिस पहुंचने में। और आपको धुआं दिख रहा होगा, वो धुआं फॉग नहीं है, ये देखो माँ कसम धुआं है। दिस इज स्मोक फ्रॉम द फायर। ये देखो, ये सिग्नल का बताता हूँ, इसमें लिखा है नो यू टर्न, मतलब आप यू टर्न नहीं मार सकते हो। जैसे मैंने अभी लेफ्ट टर्न मारा, सिर्फ लेफ्ट टर्न मार सकते हो। अगर आपको यू टर्न मारना है तो सीधा जाना पड़ेगा, या फिर ये लेफ्ट मार के वापस यू टर्न मारना पड़ेगा। बट वो सिग्नल पे आप यू टर्न नहीं मार सकते हो। आ गए आप। ये देखो, ये मेरा चीको स्टेट का जिम, आपने देखा ही होगा, अगर आप ब्लॉग देखते हो तो पता ही होगा। 8:28 मेड इट टू जेसन्स ऑफ। जेसन का फोन आया था, उसने बोला कि उसको बाहर जाना है तो ऊपर मत आ, नीचे से ही मैं कलेक्ट कर लेता हूँ। मैं बोला बढ़िया है, फिर आजा नीचे। मैं रुका हूँ पार्किंग में। जेसन इज राइट हियर। थैंक यू सो मच। That was very quick. Now I am going back home. 6:27 व्लॉग एडिट हो रहा है। अभी शाम हो रही है, 7:30 बजे अपना सनसेट है। उसके पहले अपन जाके ड्रोन उड़ा के आते हैं। आपको एक मस्त चुम्बेश्वरी जगह पे लेके जाता हूँ, वहाँ पे ड्रोन के नज़ारे एकदम अच्छे देखेंगे। केटलिन इज ऑल्सो कमिंग टू गिव मी कंपनी विच इज़ वेरी नाइस ऑफ हर। जल्दी जल्दी भाई, 6:30 बजे 7 बजे सनसेट। हे गूगल,
Today, sunset is at 7:17 p.m.
Okay, 7:17. We have 45 minutes. I think we can get it. The perfect 1 घंटा पहले सनसेट के पहले is the golden hour. So, are you excited?
I'm excited. Let's do it.
Yes.
Let's go.
एकदम full cinematic drone shot लेने हैं भाई। 6:42. We had to wait because my phone battery is like 10%. I hope my phone doesn't die when I'm flying the drone. ऐसे भी पनौती चल रही है, पता नहीं टूट जाएगा तो पता है और एक खर्चा हो जाएगा। 7:02. The sun is about to set. We just made it, but we couldn't find a good spot. We're just gonna fly it over here because 17 minutes the sun is gonna set. I want to capture the sunset really well. Okay. You can show how it looks with the camera, and then I'll show them with the drone. I hope you enjoyed that drone shot. Look at that, the sunset. It's like 7:26, right on time. I don't know how the footage looked like. Looked good on the phone, but hopefully it looked on the screen as well. Do you remember we decided to do giveaway me and Pooja? If you've seen my San Francisco vlog, that's where we announced it. So Pooja is right here with me on Zoom call, and we are gonna Pooja.
Hey guys, I'm still wearing the same shirt, so you must recognize that.
And Pooja is going to pick the winners. Pooja, you want to quickly talk about what are we giving away?
We are giving away 3 copies of my book, Admitted, that you see here. 3 lucky winners will be getting access to this, getting a copy of this very soon.
That's awesome. And we'll also talk about if you didn't win, what can you get?
So even if you don't win it, the good news is 3 chapters of the book are right now available for anyone to read. So if you want to get access to that, you can simply go to my profile bio link.
I'm very excited to see who's going to win this.
Okay, tell me that you're seeing a random number generator on my screen.
Yes,
Okay. So as you guys can see, this is not rigged. This is all the people who... So I'm going to click on generate. Whatever number pops up, the name next to that number is going to be the winner. All right, shall we begin?
Yes, let's do it.
150.
Wow.
Half century. Nice. Okay. At 50, we have Anurag Khar. 22. So at 22, we have Mohammed Fazeen PN. 321 31. Garvit Rajput.
Nice.
You guys will get a message from Yudi with
Yes.
more instructions on how you can get the book.
Yep.
And I really hope you enjoy the book. Congrats.
Cool. Thank you. Until our next one.
Keep smiling.
Keep hustling. Gotta
Can't
hustle.
see us smiling, but we're smiling.
Keep smiling and keep hustling. Gotta hustle. Every single day.
Every day.
याड लाग लाग याड लाग लाग रंगल तुझ्यात